Okay, listen up guys and girls. Today we're going to learn how to pre-treat and stain a French door on the inside and the outside. I'm going to walk you through and show you exactly what products we're going to be using. Okay, this is what we're going to be using for our pre-conditioner, and we're going to be wearing gloves, and we're going to utilize a rag to put this product on. All right, listen up guys and girls. We're going to pre-treat this door right now. Come over here. There's plastic covering the window, and we're going to push this onto the woodwork all over. Okay, we're going to continue on and pre-treat the outside of this French door right now. Go ahead and apply that to your product. Okay, so the door is pre-treated right now. We're going to let that suck in for a little while. And then we're going to go and do a couple of windowsills, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, you're going to want to use your brush to apply the pre-stain to the top of the woodwork. Okay, listen up everybody. We're going to be applying the wiping stain, Old Masters. I have a brush application and rag method to apply and wipe it off. Okay, listen up everybody. We're going to start staining the door, so follow through, okay? I'm using a pig hair bristle. Mine's a 2-inch, and we're going to apply it. We're going to start applying it to the panes of glass. There is plastic on this window. It's factory, and you'll cut it off later on. So let's start applying this product. All right, we're gonna finish the outside right now. So get your stain, we wanna apply it first. Okay, we applied that, now we're gonna wipe it off. Get your rag, gingerly wipe it off.